Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Coinbase raised seconds on crypto friends list ahead of US midterm election. Coinbase, a popular American publicly traded company that operates a cryptocurrency exchange platform, has released a new feature of a score of elections. Accusing it's one of them on their political front lines. Brian Armstrong, CEO, founder, and CEO of Coinbase Nasdaq, tweet, "Starting today, Coinbase will begin integrating our crypto policy efforts right into our app. This will brief our 103 million verified users get educated on the crypto position held by political leaders where they live. For now on, American customers can check crypto settlement score for members of Congress based on their past statement. That app also allows users to register to vote and find out about local town hall events. Armstrong said, "Over time, we want to help pro-crypto candidates solid donation from the crypto community in crypto. We also expand to get more geographic coverage in global taxation and add data on various candidates running for office, not just current elected officials." According to a bombing analysis, millions of crypto-backed dollars are going into the covers of federal candidates and communities ahead of November's congressional election. Donations from the crypto industry at the federal level have surprised oil and gas, transportation, and defense industry from January 2021 through July. Criteria for rating congressmen. According to the crypto scorecard, each member of Congress will assess based on their public statement and public education with respect to cryptocurrencies policy. Its grades was derived solely from public available information. Giving an insight into how the scoring works, Coinbase revealed the members are assigned positive or negative points based on their performance in each category, and the resulting total score determines their overall grade. The category sponsor and RCO sponsorship legislation, positive or negative public statement, cited cryptocurrency votes. However, the APP was only able to provide grades for half of the U.S. Senate and less than a quarter of the U.S. House representatives due to lack of action for members. The high number of incomplete grades demonstrates the needs and the opportunity for most members of Congress to engineer to cryptocurrency policy in the future. Coinbase Congress needs to help secure our economic future by supporting crypto and the millions of Americans who are already investing in the digital currencies. Meanwhile, many candidates have expressed support for crypto publicly. Recently, U.S. Senator candidate for New Hampshire, Bruce Fenton, extended his support for Bitcoin publicly. Fenton tweeted his public statement, "People choose what money is. We should separate money and state this way. We separate church and state. I support the right of anyone to use any from the money they choose. I choose Bitcoin as my private money. The US dollar is melting ice cube." For the USCIC, the latest move indicates that Coinbase seeks to play an activities role in shaping the regulatory environment for digital asset industry. It recently launched a voter registration tool and took a high-profile stance against the Treasury Department decision to sanction Coinbase tornado case by backing a lawsuit filed by two Coinbase employees, and other. Coinbase has also spent $1 million on lobbying in the second quarter, a record amount for the company, and launched a political action committee in February to pull donations from employees and donate to members Congress. There are ETSUP versus Yen, Swiss francs hits at versus Euro since 2015. New York, the dollars were slightly higher against yuan on Thursday following data showing U.S. retail sales unexpectedly rebound in August, while the Swiss franc hit strongest against the euro since 2015. The dollar priced some against following the data, which showed retail increased 3% last month, but demand for goods is cooling as the U.S. Federal Reserve raises interest rates. Economists polled by Reuters headquarters sales will be unchanged. The dollar has been supported by view that the Fed will keep tightening policy aggressively. Recent data, including this week, surprise increased the customer prices in August is July to give the U.S. Central Bank enough reason to announce a third consecutive 75 basis point rate hike next Wednesday. The details of retail sales reports were nearly as strong as the headline. If you break down the retail sales report, it was generally a bit sober, says Adam Button Forex Live Shift Currency Analysis. With the DAR, the default mode in the currency market is to buy the DARs unless there is good reason to sell it, he said. The DARs was up 2% against its yen, 143, having fallen 1% on Wednesday on news the Bank of Japan had checked on exchange rates with the banks. A possible preparation for yen buying, the dollars index were nearly flat at 109.64. Investors continue to debate whether Japanese authorities really would interactive to support this currency, which has fallen nearly 20% this year. Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.